Hey guys, I got this cap bank here set up. It's kind of drained, but here's the positive and here's where the negative's hooked up on the output of this coil here. That's the voltage where it's at. So I've disconnected it, was just on actually. Here's the gauge. I just want to do the demo with the LEDs. So I'll run the LEDs here with the gauge all hooked up, and all three will be lit brightly. And then I'm gonna come over here. These are the same LEDs right here, and I'll use this LED on this 3-volt battery with the same gauge I'm using right here. I'll take this exact gauge and bring it over there. But first I'll do the demo here with it showing the draw. So I'll hook it up right now. Okay, it's on. So that's the output LED. See, it's really nice and bright. Those are the two LEDs on the battery. You can see they're pretty equal too. Two LEDs, nice and bright. This is my best coil for this. This is actually has the best over unity results out of all the coils is this one here. Because you can see the power that comes out of the battery is almost all replenished by the power that goes back in. So now I'm going to try to do this steady. I don't have the best setup here right now for this. But here's the gauge. I'll try to leave the output LED in view so you can see when I disconnect the power and the input and hook it back up again. It's off. See the gauge. On, off, on, off, on, off, on. And that's with these three LEDs. And the big cap bank is being charged while they're all on with that amount of current. And I'll just leave it for a minute here and you'll see it go up another point. It's these are 500 farad caps in series, so you'd have to do the math to figure it out. I don't remember it off the top of my head what that one's at. Some like 11 or 9 farads. You see, there you go. It's going up the another point here. 45. Because it's charging even with that. Those three LEDs right there are all on, and these two are really bright. Top one is power coming out, bottom one is power being returned back into the battery through the circuit. And this one here is the power that's going into the cap bank, but through that LED first. And you can see even this one's a little dimly lit because there's AC oscillation still getting through that diode. So it's charging that cap bank nice, even at this extremely small draw. But here I'm going to do this all in one frame, and we'll bring this over to the bring it over here. Got the tripod. Set it up on there. So I'm going to do this all in one frame so you see. And I'll measure the voltage of this too. See how much one LED takes to light? How much current has to go through it to make it light? It's over 10 milliamps. And it's not as bright as what they are on that coil. Look how much that gauge moves. It's the same gauge. And it's not charging no caps up. There isn't 3 of them being lit. Let's just measure the battery voltage before it shut down. 3.093. So there you go. That's why these circuits do what they do. Thanks for watching, guys.